just saw the Fireblade just walked in H2. Alright, are we filming? See, can we see the red dot? Yup, the carbon is shiny enough to see that red dot bouncing. But what is up, guys? It's your boy Stickers back with another video, and we are back on our new baby, the Fireblade. Right now, we are going to be meeting up with our boy Chase in his H2, and from here we are going to, I think it's called SP Auto Works. It's one of our boys Chase's friends. He's opening up a shop or something. It is a little mob. We are going all the way to Rancho, so it's like a 45-minute ride for me at least. But yeah, we are here at the gas station waiting. This is where Chase wanted to meet. He's an LA guy. I'm kind of like in the Long Beach area, so this is like the nice middle ground to meet. But here we are. Yes, we are still missing a ton of carbon. Ooh. Nope. I was like, I hear a bike, but nope, it ain't Chase. But yeah, we are almost ready for the rest of the carbon to go in. So it is coming very soon. Hopefully we have it here in the next month or so. But yes, we got the tire hugger coming, the 3 tail pieces, the front tire hugger, the belly pan. We are waiting for that to come in. Can't wait to continue this build with you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna hop out of here for right now. Probably go get me something to drink. I am dying of dehydration right now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys once Chase pulls up here and we take off to the meet. All right, it said succeeded. All right. Can you hear me? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we haven't passed the 10 yet. I think so, right? I don't know, we could go on an adventure if not. I don't know if I'll make this light. I'm still throwing my glove on. Alright, we're good. Go ahead, take it, yeah. Which, yeah, go straight. My helmet buckle came off. All right, we're good. This thing came off and it was smacking my helmet, pissing me off. It pulls! It pulls! As you guys just saw, the Fireblade just walked in H2, so as you guys now know, this actually no, at that point we are calling the Fireblade a hyper bike. It literally just But yeah, that time he took off way before we had to drop a couple gears and he was already disappearing. But as you guys just saw, this insane Fireblade is for sure on the hyperbike level. It just pulled on an H2, which is absolutely insane. Chase is definitely... Chase is... He's a... Yeah, I think I can categorize this now as a hyperbike. If it's keeping up with a boosted bike, this is a hyperbike. Yeah. Wait, yours is tuned? Oh shit, I didn't know you were tuned. I thought you were stock. Oh shit, yeah, being tuned too. Oh yeah, no, this is... I would put this, I guess, on an H2 category then. But yeah, as you guys just heard now, Chase's bike is tuned also. So it's not stock, it has a full system exhaust, sprint filter, and a tune. So it is not a stock H2 either, and this thing just pulled on it top end, which is absolutely freaking insane. Boys and girls, your boy Stickers owns a hyperbike. What are you talking about, baby? Let's go. Well, like I was saying, Chase is a bigger dude than me. He probably has 40-ish pounds on me. Maybe a little less than that now. He's also lost weight like us. We were in the 230s. He was in the like 250s. I think he said he's down to like 230 and I'm down to 210. So maybe 20 pounds. But still, he does have more weight. That bike does have more weight. So he has probably 25 pounds, we'll say more. And that bike, I think if this is 440 wet, and that bike is 520, so there's, I don't know, 80, 100 pounds. So altogether, there's 100 pounds more with his combo than this combo, which is still, which on motorcycles, that's how you guys can tell and know that the power to weight ratio is a big difference. So yeah, as you guys can now see, a H2, which is an absolutely insane bike. One of my next dream bikes. Is absolutely insane. One of the best bikes you can buy. It's boosted, but even with no boost, this Fireblade was able to not only keep up, but to pull on that bike top end. So I really would like to get another run-in with some other bikes because that is insane. We are definitely going to make Chase go buy him some supercharger gears after today. Oh. Maybe I don't want him here with the crashed hood. Oh my. Yeah guys, this was insane ripping it with the H2, and we now know this Fireblade is faster than an H2. But thank you guys for watching this video. Huge shout out for Chase for allowing me to do a couple fun runs in with him. But yeah, our blade is faster than A2 to H2. Alright, yeah. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.